You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Well, welcome back. A misty gray afternoon in Magalia, but still nice to see Mother Nature out there.
That's right. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff tracking conditions for us. And Jason, it was also nice to see a little bit of rain in the parking lot outside.
Yep, got rain in the parking lot. We're going to have more rain around Magalia. We've already had some rain and snow around Upper Cohasset, more rain for Paradise and snow for Butte Meadows. Also plenty of rain pushing into the valley right now, and that's the way it's going to be for the next several hours. Right now, it's not very warm in Redding with that rain. It's only 43 degrees. The average low this time of year is 38. The average high is 57. We're going to get nowhere near that. 30 degrees right now in Chester, 42 degrees in Paradise, 48 degrees in Chico with some light rain, and 51 degrees in Oroville. The breezes are picking up. 17-mile-an-hour sustained wind in Chico, and in Red Bluff sustained at 14 but gusting to 24. And it's going to get stronger as this cold front pushes overhead. Still coming out of the southeast wind-wise, but when this cold front moves over our region, it's going to switch around, and we'll have that wind coming out of the north and the northwest, and still areas of rain concentrated in the western half of Tehama County, but also the southern half of Shasta County and pushing to northern Glenn and Butte County too, with more rain and snow mixes over the ridge. So this is a fairly fast-moving storm. Even by 7 o'clock tonight, we'll start to dry out in Trinity County, with the western part of Shasta County also drying out, but still more snow for the southern Cascades and northern Sierra, and rain for the valley and foothills, lowering snow levels. But the good news is the snow is not going to last too long, so it shouldn't be as treacherous as it would otherwise be if we were going to have hours upon hours of snow. And then we're going to have that wind shift, lots of gusty wind coming out of the north and the northeast the next couple of days. We're really going to clear that sky out. You remember how much sunshine we had yesterday? It's going to look like that Friday, and we'll have a mostly sunny sky tomorrow also. But as far as the amounts of rain that we're expecting, most of the valley less than 2/3 of an inch, and that's mainly through about midnight tonight. Then it's going to be shut off, and a lot of places in the west side of I-5 probably won't have any rain after about 7 or 8 p.m. For the ridge, we'll have more places between 3/4 of an inch and 1 1/4 inches of rain. And as far as the snow is concerned, it's going to be a fast mover. So most places less than 9 inches of snow. Higher elevations, though, we could still have over a foot. And that wind will also be transitioning from a southeast to northwest wind down to a north to south wind for Thursday and Friday. There should be just enough wind to prevent widespread fog around the valley. It's possible in the areas around the valley, but more likely over a snow-covered ground. We'll still have more breezes Thursday night into Friday morning, and that should keep things mixed up pretty well. And we'll also have more sunshine in the forecast too. So we still have our winter storm warning out for the Sierra until early tomorrow morning, and our winter weather advisories in purple, they're going to expire at 7 o'clock tonight for Trinity County, 10 o'clock for northern Shasta County, as well as Siskiyou County, and in the wee hours of the morning for Lassen and Plumas County. So if you have to drive, please drive carefully. There will still be snowy roads at lower elevations, and we'll have wet roads in the foothills as well as in the valley. So tonight we're going to cool down as we lose the rain and the snow. Lows in the teens in the mountains with 20s and lower to mid-30s for the valley. It's going to be a frosty morning, and in a few locations in the valley it'll be a foggy morning too. Tomorrow afternoon, a lot of sunshine, breezes coming out of the north, and the highs should be warmer than today but still cooler than average. 40s for the mountains with 50s in the valley and foothills. Next 7 days in Chico, this is the driest 7-day forecast I've had in 3 or 4 weeks. Look at this. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy across the board for both Chico and Redding. And by early next week, Redding will be climbing into the lower 60s. We'll have some gusty wind at times, but we'll start to dry out for the first time since 2022.
Thanks, Jason.
Well,